Hello everyone, konnichiwa minasan, it's Koneko here, and today's video is a cosplay unboxing video from, well, it's upside down, and I don't know how to say their name. Uwowo? Uwowo. John got me a bunch of cosplays and I'm going to unbox them now. I know what I think most of them are. So the first one on top is red and black. So I think this is Ruby from RWBY. Oh, look how cute it is! That's upside down. Totally meant to do that. Oh man, I feel like you could this looks very like pirate-esque in like a very nice kind of pirate shirt. Oh, I think this is for season 4 RWBY. More of these weird bags that I don't know how to open. It looks like it's resealable. Oh, there's a zipper on this one. Okay, the other one just didn't have a zipper. So this is like all the accessories. Oh, look at that patch. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, look, I have bullets because, yeah. Oh, that is so cool. What else is in here? Another belt, I think. Or I have to figure this out more later. Some wristlets, it looks like. And are these tight socks? They're really soft. Oh, that's so pretty. It has a rose. I don't know how, oh, there we go. I think you can see that. So a bunch of accessories in this bag. Some more belts, holy. So there's red and 2 brown. And then we have the cape. It is too long to really show in here, but I will be taking pictures. I'll have to look at the picture to see where everything goes because I might know the character or the outfit, but I don't remember quite where each piece goes. It's got a cool hood. And this looks like the skirt for it. And it's nice and stretchy, so this should fit fine, and I think most of it should fit pretty well too. The next cosplay looks like the Vocaloid IA. Yes, it's like a Renaissance-y style outfit for Vocaloid IA. Alright, so we have some accessory pieces here, some hair clips, and some what might be stockings. I think they're thigh-high socks. I'll leave them in there for now, but I'll be trying on all the costumes eventually. So gloves, cute. Cute boot covers. Boot covers are so cute, and they're like one of the most annoying things to make. So I've heard from lots of people, including people who help me make boot covers. The top is so cute. It has like this kind of pattern that kind of reminds me of lace, but it's also in the shape of like sakura flowers. It has a corset style in the back, so if it's a tad loose, I can tighten it easily. There's invisible straps. Don't know how easy that is to see. And the top is just super cute. And of course, we have the skirt. Again, nice stretchy material. And I believe this is the necklace. The next one is, oh my god, what's her name? Mume? So this is her kimono style outfit. I believe it's pronounced Mume. I'm very bad with like Japanese names or names in general. Huge bow that has like this plastic thing. Whoa, that's gonna be interesting. Make sure it stays in place, I guess, and to wrap it around. Some lavender ribbon. I don't know how to wear a kimono properly, but I'm assuming this plastic thing is to help keep stuff looking stiff, or to help, I don't know. Like, maybe it is just packaging. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like read instructions or something. Ah, beautiful. Like the belt thing. Skirt, again, stretchy. Definitely see-through-y type material, but that's what little spandex shorts are for. I believe these are her hair ties. Totally her hair ties. And this should be the main kimono part. Ah! It's so pretty! Oh, I love sakura flowers. Now I have to figure out how to assemble this costume to wear it though. Oh, on the other side. Ooh, yes. Here's the back. And we have her battle uniform as well. So more ribbon for her neck. Little I think these are gloves. Okay, I think those are gloves of some sort. Some more ribbon for her outfit. The top part of her outfit. Ooh, cool. The detail is so awesome. A variety of ways to like attach things together with different strings or ribbon and like Velcro, and it all looks pretty sturdy. Again, that stretchy material. Nice bow, and this one has a zipper and a button. And it looks like a bunch of accessories. It's been a while since I looked at the outfit. Some gauze, some more layers to her outfit here. This looks confusing as heck. Once I get it on, it'll look like situated, but it's like a vest. We have her headset. I think this is like the belt for this outfit. What is next? Oh, is this? I think this is Rin's outfit, her red dress from Fate's Day Night. I have no idea which season this is from, or from a game. Ooh, what's this? So pretty. It has like hair clips. Thigh-high tights. Reminds me of Ladybug. Beautiful decor at the top there. There are some wooden bangle bracelets and some gold bracelets as well. There's a series of golden rings, another package of gold rings, and some beautiful gold earrings as well. They look like they're clip-on, so you don't necessarily have to have pierced ears to wear these. I might detach them and put them on like actual earring hooks, because I think that'll be more comfortable for me. But a gem here in the center and a strap. The top half is so gorgeous. It's hard to see the design there. It's so crazy with gems and beads. So this part goes around the neck, long sleeves with a place for where your fingers go through. The back is corset style, so you can tighten that. The front is padded, kind of like a built-in bra, and it has invisible straps as well that you can attach and detach in there. And this must be the skirt part. Oh, cool. So it's like a shorter skirt with these really long side bits. Stretchy as usual, and quite a bit of a few layers to make it a little bit puffy. Next we have my Kanna cosplay from Dragon Maid. So cute. We've got some cute socks with some frillies at the top and some black ribbon. Her cute tail, it has a wire in it so you can bend it how you would like. Woo. And there's a little place for like to attach with the button. Some squishy horn. the cute pink top part of her outfit. It looks so sweet. The cute white skirt, stretchy material again. The white fuzzy like shawl bit. Oh, it is so soft. And it's so cute. Oh, I think you could tie this with the ribbon here with these loops, and then there's a little clasp that like attaches it at the top part here so that it doesn't fall off. Next up we have Saber's dress from Fate's Day Night. Either the anime or a game. Again, I'm not positive. So there is this shawl part here that like it's just really short, really short, and it just adds to her like, it's like the puffy shoulder part and the beautiful sleeves. Then we have the top part that has an attached choker necklace with in like the plastic invisible straps that are detachable. The back again is a nice corset for that extra tight fit, and then it has the details on the chest part and the bottom part. Then there's the huge bottom part, like so long, so layered. There's a zipper and a clasp, gorgeous. There's this huge bow, another bow for the hair, and these for her arms. So it goes on the arm and off of like a finger. So there's two of those. The next item is, ooh, it's my new sweater. And skirt. Oh, it's so soft. It's so big. Look at them sleeves. Oh, so cute. Now, yes, I finally have the outfit for those tights that I wore with my regular Miku cosplay. And simple black skirt with the outfit. What is this? Oh, is this a free item? It's panda socks. Like thigh-high panda socks. Cute! I love pandas. So yeah, they are really long socks. Super thigh-high socks. Alright, looks like some wigs and other bits and pieces. Some boxes and like something foam. Like it fits nicely on the knee. There's only one of them. Alright. Ooh, blue pretty. Ah! Yes, okay, so it's a wig and it came with a wig cap. Yes, so happy. I hope most of them came with a wig cap. And a very pretty card thing. Super cute. Looks like it could be a postcard, maybe. It's a bunch of Japanese writing, I think. So it's my wig for with that sweater. So here is the base of the wig, which is super cute. And it's like two different colored blues, short base, and then the pigtails. Go for the other box wig too. What is this? It is a brown wig. Again, wig cap. Thank you. Oh, I go through these too much with all this hair. Oh, it's Carcaptor Sakura wig. Come on. Gotta brush that out a bit. Super cute Carcaptor Sakura wig. Very voluptuous right now. Next up is this pinkish wig. I think this is Kanna's wig. Super long and pretty. So here is her wig, and then the like balls that go on it and the headband with the bow. So I'll have to style this wig. Whoa. They're like squish, sort of, like a plastic, a really thin plastic. Probably makes it a lot easier to put it on the wig. And then her hair bow is in here as well. So this is a short white wig for 2B. Wig caps galore. So 2B's outfit isn't in yet because I believe it was a pre-order, but I have her wig already, so maybe I could cos test some makeup or something. And the last wig in here, it should be Rin's wig, which is a dark brown wig, like brown with like a bit of like gray accents in it. Another wig cap. Oh, it's really soft wig. Very shiny, but like a good kind of shiny, not like a super fake kind of shiny. Long and curly, looking a little more black, but is her hair supposed to be brown or black or like a mix maybe? It looks more brown over here. And then her pigtails. So super cute little card from the cosplay shop where all these costumes came from. So I'll just show that. So that's their name up there. And this huge box is now completely empty. Well, there's a little piece of cardboard in there, but yeah. So, oh my gosh, I am so excited to try on all the costumes. Fingers crossed that they all fit really well, and I'll definitely have to play around and style the wigs, which is usually what I do anyways, so maybe I'll make some videos on that of how I finish up styling them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know that you liked this type of video, and leave a comment down below which costume you're more excited to see me cosplay. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!